Stop the vehicle! Stop the vehicle! Stop it! Yeah, come out! Did you see? He was trying to escape. What did you think? You thought you can hit and run like that? Did you see this? Indicator and backlight, everything has been damaged. Take 2,000 rupees.
Even the wheel rim has got twisted.
Oh, is that so? Then 2,500. Yeah, give fast.
Don't have money, sir.
Oh my God, he doesn't have money, man. Then your vehicle will stay here. Give money.
Hey, you have a big extension at the back. That's a big offense, right? You know that, man.
That I didn't know. Vehicle will stay here. Block the traffic. Yeah, you call your owner, man. Hey, your boss. You call him. I'll talk to him. Yeah, call. I'm telling you to call. Go. He doesn't know who I am. Bro, I'll handle this. We'll get money from him for today evening. Oh, yeah, you're here.
Yeah, man, boss is in the line, sir.
This is not possible. Ask him to come in person.
Ask him
He
to
is
come
asking me
over,
to talk to him on phone. Hey, ask him to come, man.
Hi, ma'am.
What happened?
They are only creating a problem, ma'am.
Hey, excuse me. Come here. I asked you to bring the owner. Who is this?
She's only my boss, sir.
Excuse me.
Don't care who you are. These guys would have died actually in the accident. Your driver is drunk, I guess.
Hey, bro, just keep quiet. I'm sure you are a good person.
Look at this guy now. Previously, he used to support us. Now he is totally supporting the girl only.
No, the driver told me that some local guys were making some problem.
Yeah, you are right. Those people, actually, they ran away when they saw us.
Actually, she has no clue that he is one of the four loafers.
Do you have any function at home?
No, nothing like that. I do event management.
Oh.
This is my card.
Amrita Titus. Titus is your husband, right?
That's my dad's name.
Oh, it was your father's name.
What's your name?
I am Arun Kumar. We should also print some cards like this.
Dude, the way he's talking, I don't think we are going to get a party tonight. Hey, I am already fixed in my mind, yeah.
What is this event management?
If at any place there's a function happening,
Ah.
A to Z, every work we will do.
Is that so?
For example, let's say it's your marriage.
Ah.
The bride and groom simply has to come there. From the starting till the end, we take care of everything.
Do you guys also pay for the bride and the groom? Just a little cautious.
Hey, just keep quiet. I would like to tell you one thing. Without you, my marriage won't happen.
You just have to tell me the date. We'll make it very grand.
Whenever you're free, I will get married then.
Okay, I'm taking leave now.
Yeah,
Don't
you
forget,
can
okay?
go. Bye.
Hey, just come outside, man. Hey, just come outside. Come here. You have to don't hit me unnecessarily. I'll hit from the police. What are you going to do? You cannot what do you think you will do? No, you cannot actually harm me. I'll go to the police station if you want. He's been waiting for a very long time. He's sitting there inside the car. Yes, Minister. You'll only call me when there is some trouble, right? The document has to be registered in my name. I'll take care of it, sir. The property is yours. Thank you, sir. Hey, stop here.
Yeah, all that is fine. You give that and come.
Okay. Come on, tell me. You keep quiet, sir. Whenever you want money, you push me inside and then you put a case on me. And you take a lot of money from me. One day I'm going to put you in trouble. Just wait and see. Alright, we also have proof against the charge sheet we have put on you. But now tell me, what is the proof that you have against us? You leave that for now, sir. Actually, what the law says is... You mean rules? You have to actually arrest me and take me to the court. And not keep me in jail. And this is a big crime from your end. I don't get a head and tail of what you're talking. I'll screw your bloody life, rascal. This bloody fellow is talking rules. In another 1 hour time, I'm going to take you to the court. Go and tell your rules in front of the magistrate there. Talking bloody rules in front of me. Dad, he's so much better than you. Keep the food here and you clear out from this place. Give me money, I'll leave. You have deposited money with me or what? Am I an ATM machine or what? You ask and I give you money. Don't give me all that excuses. You are taking money from everybody, right? You give me money.
Wow, too good. You had asked me, Hilton. You have to be very careful with these guys. They will not prosper at all. See the way how is he demanding things from you? Do you think he will look after you?
This is why I say girls are always better. You don't need to hear all this from them. Sir, you should have actually given me the drugs which I had brought. You people are actually blocking it. Now I am actually have to run around with people to ask for money. They would have actually given me a good amount. I'm asking for is money and these people are talking. Bloody fellow, you are again talking rules with me. Give him 1 on his head. I'll teach you guys a lesson. I'm going to whack this pouch. What? One page is missing? Hey, for that we have taken money, right?
Hey, you know our style of working, right? Then why are you asking him? Are you new to the station?
Hey, come here, man. Where's the packet I took from
You
this
kept
guy?
it there, just take it.
It's not here. I kept it somewhere here. Is it fallen down? What, man? I don't see the packet kept here.
Missing? Your son had brought food now. Till that time it was just here.
What? Pause is missing. Which means case is closed, huh? Now what will you guys do? Which means now I can escape. Hey, stop man.
Hey,
man.
what happened?
Stop
Yeah,
here, man.
hey, what happened, man? Why did you ask me to stop here?
All that I'm not going to tell you. If you can wait, you wait, please.
Hey, I can't wait and all. You just come by yourself.
After
I'm going.
selling this stuff, I'll get so much of money. These fellas won't understand anything.
Listen, Hilton, your son had come here. He asked you money. You did not give him, so I have a doubt on him. Just give him a call and find out whether he's taken it.
Sir, my son is not a thief. Please
Hey,
bear it in
did I
mind.
tell you that he's a thief? I just told you to give him a call and find out whether he's taken it. Police department should have doubt on everyone.
Where are these drug vendors sitting? Behind that auto.
What?
His phone is ringing, but he's not
Try
answering.
to call him again. Did he pick up?
He's not answering the call.
He will take only the heroin. He will not pick up the phone call.
Hello? Yes. What? Drugs, sir. What drugs? You new to the locality or what? No. Don't you know where it is? I have it with me, sir. You have it or what? Sure. This is original stuff, sir. I got it from my old friend. How much? 40,000 rupees, sir. I can't give you 40,000. Give you 20,000. Is it okay? No, yes, sir. Okay. Yeah, take. Go. Sir, he'll be with your son, sir. Please check and let me know.
Shit, man. Hello?
Yeah, hello, daddy.
Hey, where are you now?
I'm near MG Road.
Actually, I just wanted to tell you, in our station we just have a small problem. One accused who had some heroin with him, we have just caught him and kept in the station.
Oh, I see.
Now suddenly when we saw the heroin from the station is missing.
Would he have taken it?
Within 1 hour, if we don't take that accused along with the heroin to the court, we will all lose our job, my dear son. Okay, tell me, where is your friend, that Hriday's son? He came here sometime before. His behavior was very unusual. I have a small doubt on him. If he has taken it, please somehow collect it from him and give it to us. We are in a very serious situation. Please don't play.
Yeah, okay, dad. You just come to MG Road. I'll come with him over there.
Okay, my dear son, please collect it soon. We'll come there immediately.
Sir, what
We have to go to Maran Square now. Come, let's move.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, full 20,000.
Hey, where is the heroin?
Sold it. You got to know about
What
it.
did you do, man? Until our fathers are working in police, we have all the respect. You will lose that
What
also.
is the point in they wearing it or not wearing it?
Hey, where is he?
I've sold it to him.
Hey, he sold you some heroin, right? Give that back.
What drug? I have not taken any drug
Hey, that's not right. My father works in the police. You give it to me.
I have given 20. Now you give 60 back.
Huh? That is not possible. Yeah, give it to me, man. Hey, give it. No.
Hey, take
Hey, give it. No.
Hey, catch it.
Hey, catch him.
Catch him, man.
Oh.
Catch him.
Hey, stop
Hey,
there.
Wait, man.
Hey, stop there, man. Hey, I'm telling you. Hey, just stop
catch
there.
him fast. He's running.
Hey. Hey, don't give it. Hey, don't throw it. Hey, stop that. Hey, give it to me. Hey.
Drugs.
Hey, bro, that is mine. Just give it to me.
Is it?
Hey, just give it to me, man. I am a son of the police officer.
Sir. Original, dude.
Hey, it'll become a big issue.
Take
Just
it
give
from
to
me, man. Come. An outsider is hitting our man. Who's the fellow? We should ask here. Somebody cannot come and simply hit our person. Who is the outsider? This will become a habit. Check and see. Hey, I don't know. Hey, we'll check here. Hey, who's that fellow? We should ask here. Hey, who is it? Who is he? Who is the outsider? Hey, hide all your weapons here. Come here, sir.
Hi, my lord.
Is he a police or a priest? How come you here? Any serious matter from our end?
Nothing serious, David. He's my son.
Next to him, you see a small rotten buffalo. That's my bloody son. He came to the station to give me food. Asked me money. I said no.
He had come to our station sometime before and he has taken the heroin with him. We have to present the accused to the court today. The heroin packet is missing. We are afraid that we lose our job today. That's why I've come here.
Who took the cocaine from this guy? How many times have I told you not to deal with strangers? Give it! Here, take it, sir. And one more minute. Take this too. Share it among yourself.
My lord.
This is horrible, man. You may leave, sir. Later I'll send
Come,
you
let's
son.
go to the court.
Everything happens with the grace of people like your father. All are my guys. What, man? You're cleaning and servicing all your weapons, huh? This guy killed in Trichy. This in the gate of the court itself. Here, now look at this guy. This guy killed in Madurai. Hey, this weapon is not sharp enough, dude. Be careful. Sir, why is this stuff rusted here? Hey, take this bloody thing and keep it inside. I don't want to see it. Whenever I take it outside, nothing happens bloody. These are the guys who have played a major role in my life. Hey, keep blessing me and always take care of me like you've always done. कल मैंने तेरे को एक काम बताया था ना, वो करने का है. जो कहाँ भी है उसको उठाने का. These guys can talk very nicely and pull off a crime. They look very innocent and therefore they can deceive anyone. That's why I only recruit people who look innocent. Hey, get 300 packs in 1 kilo.
What is this, brother? You are doing all this in public?
Hey, this is all my area. It is surrounded by all small hamlets with my own people. No one can enter here. Every day around 200 people are fed here. Only good food can keep you healthy, buddy. Only then you can knock down heads. We have received the advance cash. Hey, based on the situation, you segregate and send them. Okay, sir. Hey, you guys come here. Do as what I said. Don't leave a stone unturned, okay? Sir, the college guys have come, sir. Come. He's the minister's son. He's the minister's son.
Hi,
This
sir.
girl is the secretary's daughter. Your
Yes,
father
sir.
then, yeah. Now itself started the election job, huh?
Not like that, sir.
Hey, there's the balloon man. What are you doing here, man?
I want to see David, bro.
Now there is one more job left for us, sir. Okay, sir. Send the guys appropriately. I'll take care of it, sir. What are you looking at? Hey, still didn't leave or what? Sir, this is the balloon guy, sir. He's put up a stall on the beach. He wanted to meet boss. You are the guy? Yes, sir. Don't you know that you have to pay money for the stall you have put up?
I don't know.
If you don't know, try to know. Where are you from? North. Far north. You know Peter. If only he said he knew, I would have given him nicely. The person who we killed 2 years back. Hey, you gotta be careful, man. We don't know who comes for the revenge when. Okay, now why the hell did you come here for?
My father is not well. He has to be given treatment for 6 months. That's why I've come here to earn some income.
Hey, according to the rule here, nobody can put up a shop at the beach. You've got excuses like your father is not well. You can carry on with the shop, but give also $100 to the boys every day. Festival days it's different. Alright, go. So go and blow your balloon. I'll finish and call you. It's my marriage, sir. Where are you from? The neighboring village, sir. Not seen you ever. God bless you. Where's the building owner, man?
He will be there upstairs, sir. It's true that case was there in the court, but judgment is come in favor of us. Do you want to see the legal papers? Yes. One more matter. You need not worry about David. I will take care. We have a very good...
7.5 lakh buildings in the city is under my control. Without my knowledge, nobody can sell it and nobody can buy it. And without my knowledge, if anybody tries to buy or sell it, no 1% here will live. And if you want to live, my 25% of the share should be given to me. And if you try to dodge me by saying this or that, I'll send you to hell. Money or life, you decide. Hey, keep a watch on him.
Hey, during the coming election, that minister's son and that MLA's son are contesting. I'm sure they'll create some problem. But whatever they do, we'll have to face it and win the election, okay? They will want us to withdraw from the election, but we should not. Till the election is over, we all should be together, okay?
Hey, what are you guys doing here?
Wait! Don't run!
Hey, what are you guys doing here?
Hey, don't run!
We'll finish you. Hey, stay there. Hey,
Don't run!
stay there.
Come on, stop there!
Come on, guys. Let's catch him. Come on. We'll finish you.
Sir,
Hey, stay
police
there.
station? Yes, it's a police station. I'm calling from the local beach. One group of rowdies are chasing 4 boys along with big knives. Can you come now, sir? May I know who's calling? Sir, I'm running a balloon shooting shop at nearby beach. Look after your business.
Hello.
What, David? Is there any problem?
Why? What happened?
Police station is under your control. Can't you have the local beach under your control?
What the hell are you talking? What happened?
Nothing serious. I just got an information that your guys are chasing 4 boys in the beach along with knives. Just now I got a call to the police station. If this information is passed on to somewhere else, you'll have a problem. Please tell your guys to take care.
Actually, who called you, sir?
Actually, I got a call from a local boy who's running a balloon shooting shop at beach.
Balloon shooting shop. What are you saying?
Brother, who are these people? Why are they standing on their knees?
Somebody has actually informed the police about me. I just wanted to check
you
with this
should
dude.
wear all this.
Hey,
Only
no,
then the
no,
photo
no,
will be
no,
really
I'm not
colorful.
used to
Hey,
wearing
wear
all
this.
that.
Come on.
I'm not used to
Now
wearing
you are
it. I don't
looking
play cricket
smashing. Hey, camera is ready, right?
Okay,
Yeah.
Okay.
Come
Come
on,
on,
let's
brother.
take a
Hold
photo.
this bat. Yeah, that's right.
I'm posing.
You can
Take a
now.
photo. Take like
super
this.
Pose. Wonderful. Yeah, now I'll also stand. Take one.
Print a very huge picture of mine and keep cutouts in the railway station.
definitely.
Okay,
Ah,
I'm going to
okay.
come and see.
Going
Yeah.
now.
Okay,
Bye,
thank
bye.
you.
You're super, dear.
Bro,
What
these
is it?
guys are not answering,
You
bro.
tell me who called the police. You won't answer simply, huh? Tell me who said. I'm asking who called, right?
I was the one who told.
Hey! Hey, leave it! So it was you who informed the police about me, huh?
How dare
Hey!
you?
I'm talking to him, right? When 2 men are talking, why does a lady come in between?
A knife will be useful for man and woman equally. Mind that. Life will not come back. I want only their life. Kill him at
Hey!
once.
Which place are you from? He's from up north. His father is in the hospital. I only gave him permission to put up the balloon stall. How many times have I told you not to help people whom you do not know? Now you see what happened.
Bro, I didn't know that they were your people. Otherwise, I would not have given the call.
Just try doing once. Try it. Even the old lady in the opposite stall told me that his father is really in the hospital. Hey, if ever once more I happen to see you in this area, I'll come home and hit you. Go! Get lost!
Don't believe anyone,
Get
okay?
lost. Hey! Get up! Come here! Come here! Sit, man. Whatever the minister has asked, can you give it and go?
This is our ancestors' property.
That's what you're given money, right?
200 crores worth property. You're asking for 2 crores.
That's what those guys say. This is my rate.
Don't blackmail me, okay? I will see you in the court.
Hey! Sit down, court. What are you talking when sir is talking? Huh? Is commissioner bigger than David? Huh? Knife doesn't understand the commissioner, huh?
However you try, I will not give my ancestors' property. I'm sure that.
Hey! Is wealth big or your life, mate. Minister, sir, I have sent the person who was greedy for wealth. Now you send me my due share of wealth.
You are having good collection today, huh? Where will you keep all this money?
50% of this is going to your father's only.
From that we are also getting, huh? Eh?
You can see these photographs.
Bro, this is the new inspector. Now tell me one thing very frankly, how is this new inspector? Is he going to adjust with all our dealings?
He is not like the person whom you think, my dear friend. You'll have to stop your activities for some days.
What do you mean stop my dealing? I have not seen inspectors. AC, DC, commissioner, you mean I don't have any experience with them. Whichever new person takes charge tries to act very rigid at the beginning, after which they become one among you. The difference is, this guy might ask a little more than you, but just see how I'm going to deal with him.
No, my dear friend, please listen to me. He is an encounter specialist, Mr. Chandrasekhar. We don't know who will be his prey, so you be careful.
What is he saying? Encounter specialist?
I think I have to shut shop for some days. What, man? Whacking from a person like me itself, huh? A deficit of 1,000 rupees in the collection? Just a minute. Boss, Constable Son speaking. Tell me, dude.
Brother, I called you to tell something. Remember that day you had asked those balloon sellers to stand on their knees, right? One of them was a police officer, an encounter specialist. He took a lot of photos that day, right? In that photo, he was standing right behind us. That is where I saw him. Now I saw him in police uniform. I'm sure it's...
Is this true or false?
Okay, I'm cutting the call right now. Bye.
Hey, what's all this, man? In our area, a policeman is loitering around. What are you doing about it, man?
Hi, guys. It's a highly confidential assignment. DGP, Intelligence IG, Commissioner, Additional Commissioner, Joint Commissioner. Other than these officers, nobody know what is happening. We have to be successful. Sir, I'm sorry, Mr. Alvin. Just after 1 week of your marriage, I had to call you back for duty. I know your talent. That's why I need you. It's okay, sir. Alvin, good job. Thank you, sir. All these houses located in Maran Square belong to David. Whichever side we enter, we will not be able to know who is watching us at all. The moment we enter, the countdown should start. Just 5 minutes. 299 seconds, we have to start firing. Total 3 actions. First, the entry. Second, David's area. And finally, the encounter. Okay? Phone. Is it from your house? Yes, sir. Explain the situation. Just make her understand that the police job is like this. Hi, I'll call you later. Alvin, please continue your conversation. Go. Yeah, tell me, dear. I will take care of that. I'm in an important meeting. We'll call you later. Bye. Early morning, 3 a.m. we have to be at spot. Surveillance job is yours. You have to reach the spot before the time. Please switch off your cell phone immediately. You have to contact me in this phone. Yes, sir. Keep it. Be alert. Where's your gun? Good. Go. Have it. You too. Henceforth, we have to contact in this. Okay? Yes, Alvin, tell me. Be careful. Sir Alvin Sudan, over. Sir Alvin Sudan, over. Yeah, Alvin. Sir, people movement here are more. This is not the right time to attack them, sir. It's better we can wait for some more time. I'll call you back later, sir. Over. What is the distance between you both? Approximately around 100 feet, sir. It's not safe. You have to maintain at least 200 meters distance. Okay, sir. Call me then. Alvin? Sir. Tell me. The people movement is very less now. I think David and his brother have gone to sleep now. Now you can come with our team and we can catch them, sir. I'm sure. Okay, Alvin. We'll be there. Okay, sir. Where's your gun? Check your bullets.
Already loaded, sir.
Good. Let's move on.
Don't do me anything. Please don't kill me. No.
I'm sorry, Mr. Alvin. Just after 1 week of your marriage, I had to call you for duty. I know your talent. That's why I need you. It's okay, sir.
Minister, sir.
Yes. Tell me, David.
What to say? Whenever you guys need us to do your election job and do your personal job, kidnapping and cheap rioting, you need people like me. Once you get the position, you complain to the police and get me trapped. If at all I'm taken to court, I will turn an approver.
They're going to finish him in 1 week. It's a CM order. That stupid fellow doesn't know that. How did the SMN news go in the YouTube? Sir, actually it was... I don't need your explanation. I'm sure there's one informer in your group. No, sir. There was no mistake in our team. We have lost a good officer. I'm taking responsibility for this failure. The first failure in my career. Alvin Soden. I left the station at 12:01 and the encounter was at 3 a.m. But we missed it. What was the reason? How did David get the news? I'm Inspector Shaker speaking. 96-001-0020. I want the call details for this number between 20th afternoon 12 p.m. and 21st morning 3 a.m. at the earliest.
Bro, Karna here.
Yes, brother, tell me. Hey, it's brother.
I owe my life to you. If you wouldn't have told me, I would have been killed by now. You are my life. Even more than that. Whatever you want, you ask me. I am there.
Hey, come on, brother. This is not a big deal at all. Come on.
Catch him. I had left the station at 12 a.m. and you have called and informed David at 3 a.m. There was a call gone to his personal number from your number. How did you get to know about the encounter news? Tell me.
I didn't call, sir.
Rascal! Then tell me who spoke on the phone.
All my calls are recorded, sir. Please listen to it.
Just take it.
Brother, I called you to tell something. Remember that day you had asked those balloon sellers to stand on their knees, right? One of them was a police officer, an encounter specialist.
Who's Arun?
He is the head constable's son, sir.
You have to help us in Norway for our next operation. Otherwise, we'll finish you along with the rowdies.
Whatever you say, I'm going to listen, sir.
Sir, we will definitely cooperate with the operation. But one request, sir. This news should not go out at any cost, sir. The news will not go outside from the department. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, one more matter. This David should not escape, sir. I will take care of that.
Bro, Amrita needs 25 lakhs rupees for deposit. She needs it
Where
urgently.
are you going to go for that big amount?
All that I don't know. We should do something. I'm thinking of selling his kidney.
I have never seen you guys serious like this before.
What to do? Certain things happen and you become serious.
What's your problem? Everyone's problem I am clearing. Won't I be able to solve your problem? Tell me what.
Oh, then I'll tell you. I need 25 lakhs urgently. Will you give me? When I ask for money, he is laughing.
Just 25 lakhs, right? For this, you're feeling so desperate.
What are you saying?
I've got an awesome idea with me. Will you listen?
What is this super idea?
There is a case revolving around a property worth 200 crores. Either I can involve the local governing body or your father's. Neither of them is going to pay me the commission. Now you know Karna very well, right?
Yeah, I
Then
know.
involve him and get it done.
For me to ask this to brother? Hey, that I can't do definitely. He's already tensed right now. I can't say
Hey,
this.
how long are you guys going to struggle like this in life? Try doing a big deal and settle down in life. Your commission itself will be 5 crores.
5 crores?
Huh?
Should I believe him or not? Huh? Yeah, alright, I'll talk to him once.
Hey, keep it slowly. It should be very heavy. Careful. Hello,
Hello, this is me, Arun Kumar.
David. One Arun wants to talk to you.
Oh, give. Yeah, tell me, bro, what's the matter?
Brother, it's about evacuating some people from a building.
Why all this right now, man?
That is because it's a good work, brother. I'm getting good commission also. If you try, it will definitely happen.
Which building are you talking about?
It's that mall in MG Road.
You mean MG Road building? Hey, dude, the building issue is settled once and for all. You won't have any more problems from now on. You send my commission through the boys I'm going to send. Okay, take care. If you scare the law, you cannot do your profession. If all our vehicles go together, the police may doubt us. You go that way.
Okay, bro.
Okay, bro. Hey, turn off the TV, yeah.
This is Karna here.
Yes, tell me, bro.
Carefully listen to what I'm talking.
Hey, Bullman. Hey, who's it, yeah?
Hey, brother is calling.
Talk.
Yeah, tell me, brother.
I have finished the deal that you have asked me to do.
Oh, is that so?
Just go there. The building's owner will be there. My commission and your commission, a total of 25 crores will be handed over to you. Take it and call me back immediately.
Yeah, okay, brother. Thank you.
Now he's going to meet the other guy. In another 1 hour, David will be in the city limits. What they're going to do from here on, I will be informing you in the next 1 hour. I'll be following them.
All right, I'll inform sir also.
Oh, yeah, he's here. Hey, we have been waiting for you for so long. By the way, you should not be late for such things. All right.
Then comes your share. God knows
Making
what.
fun of me, huh? Just wait and see how you're going to be dealt with.
David spoke and solved the building problem. This money is for him and your commission too. I hope you all are happy. Please inform this to Mr. David.
All right then. See you.
You're
Bye.
welcome.
Hey, bro, just come and lift this.
God knows if it is a Reserve Bank print or a Shivagasi print. Sir, Kanna is coming to the city limits.
Yeah, brother, we got the money. We are coming.
3rd Avenue, 7th Cross Street.
Oh, near that park. Yeah, we'll come there.
Hello? It's me, dear. We are moving towards 3rd Avenue, 7th Cross Street. My friends are also with me.
Where are you now, bro?
Yeah, we have reached the place where you wanted us to come.
When you come to St. Francis College, just give
Oh,
me a
you
call.
want us to come to the college? Yeah, we'll come there.
Hello, dear. We are almost moving away from 7th Cross Street. From there, we are going to come almost to the St. Francis College.
Brother, we are nearing the college right now.
Take a U-turn and come down to Broad Street.
Oh, you want us to come to your place? All right, then we'll come to your place.
What, dude? I feel we are going to spend all the money on petrol itself.
Alright, dude. Hey, you go to straight away to Pondicherry. You also leave.
Sir, David is actually moving from the BMW to another car. Mahindra Scorpio, sir.
Yeah, we are close to your place. Where else do you want us to come?
Come to Crystal Mall.
Yeah, all right then.
Sir, again, Karna's location is shown at Easier.
Karthik? Yes, sir. Make a call to Gerard. Okay, sir.
Oh, shit.
His mobile is switched off, sir. Where is his address, bro?
This address? Ask someone else, man. Such a headache, these guys.
what are we going to do now, man? Feeling very scared, man.
Hey, we didn't know that these things will happen. We just thought that if this gets done, we'll get a good commission. But police officers will use us for encountering our own brother. We didn't know that.
If David feels that we are the party to Douglas's death,
Hey, that's never happening. Our brother definitely knows that I am not part of this. What do you guys want now? We have to make sure that brother is alright. We'll ask him now.
Who is that? Hello?
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 Yeah, it's me, Arun Kumar. I wanted to talk to brother.
You bloody bastard! Where you people are now? To give information only, you're just roaming in front of us, no? You people have proved that you're faithless fellows. Where you all now? Whoever is responsible for his death, he will never leave you.
As a lawyer, what is your opinion about the recent encounter? My opinion is, on the name of encounter, they have committed a brutal murder. Do you think police department is involved in this?
the police really actually doesn't have right to kill the innocent citizens. They should be taken to the Human Rights Commission. Department's irresponsibility should also be taken very seriously. And also a petition is signed already to the High Court judge as of today. And let's wait and watch.
Since the police department has informed that they will have an encounter, people here are very much afraid about that. Let's see what is going to happen in the coming days. This is Prakash from CCTV for you. Bye-bye. Let's wait and watch. So, David was like a family member of yours. His name is not mentioned in your family card. Am I right? Sir? Sir, why are you talking like this, sir? Actually, we are not those type of officers. Since the culprits are behaving like this, we have to maintain law and order everywhere. Just answer to my question alone. Sir, what is this, sir? Our children has done a mistake and you're calling us an inquiry as though we are a culprit, sir. Are you accepting it? Are you accepting that your children has done a mistake? Then tell them to surrender.
How can they surrender, sir? For their fault only, they have been used as a bait and the culprits have been
Hey,
nabbed.
shut your mouth! Alvin Sudan. Do you know about that sincere police officer? Till yesterday he was there with me. But today is no more. He's been killed. His marriage happened just 1 week before. You're getting worried about your children like this? What will we give a reply to Alvin's parents? How will we answer to his wife? Wearing this uniform was his only dream. His aim. Wearing this uniform and doing good to the society, that was his only thought, but he was killed. But wearing the same uniform and doing all nonsense, you have given birth to 4 rogues to this society. The reason behind my operation failure is your children. The boys who were born along with the police blood, grown in a police family, they have been the reason for a police death also. I will not leave them. 24 hours time. If you people don't bring them to me and surrender, I will get there and arrest them. It will be a black mark for you. You can go. Get lost! Yes, sir. What happened here? Guys, we were really disturbed that we could not find your people and we were searching all over the quarters and you are waiting at the terrace.
Dad, when I tried to call brother, that madam only picked a call. They are thinking that we are the reason behind their brother's encounter. I don't know what to do. I tried to tell them that we are not part of this, but she was telling that they will take revenge. I am really petrified.
That stupid lady spoke like that to you. You think you are like rose petals or what, to be cut and thrown into the sea? You are our sons. If they touch you, you know what's going to happen to them.
Hey, Hilton, don't tell them something and make them also afraid. One side that inspector is giving us pressure, and other side David is giving us pressure. I think it's better we can go and meet David.
For what? For him to throw his temper on us?
Hey, he will not do anything to us. We will just explain to him that our children were not responsible for your brother's encounter. We will make him understand, that's it. All these years we were really helpful to him, right? So he'll definitely listen to us.
Okay, Dad. Then go ahead and tell him.
Listen, guys. We will somehow explain to David so that he changes his mind. But you people have one thing in your mind. Please do not go at that police station at all. Inspector will definitely catch you and put you inside.
नाराजनाद्रमाः गोविन्दाद्रमाः विष्णवे नमः मधुसूदनाद्रमाः त्रिविक्रमाद्रमाः वामनाद्रमाः ॐ मातृदेवताभ्यो नमः पितृदेवताभ्यो नमः.
Please immerse us in the sea water and come.
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनं उर्वारुकं मृगवन्दनां मृत्योमुक्षयमामृताः.
My lord, it's really sad to see these things.
Not only the snake, but also the baby snake is venomous.
No, my lord, please don't tell like that. Actually, our children, they were not responsible at all for that encounter.
My brother cautioned me not to believe the sons of cops, but I didn't listen. I'll make you guys sit in the same place and perform the final rites for your sons. Sir, I have a small request for you, sir. So many murders, sir. Countless crimes that we have hidden from the department. Can't you please pardon us for this matter alone? Till date, I have received money for every crime I have done. But this is the first time that I'm going to pay money and then do a crime. Be ready to receive them in pieces. I'm going to send for them. You bloody fellow, you have killed my brother! Where is he?
Whom are you asking about?
The bloody traitor who revealed me to the police.
I don't
Your
know.
boyfriend.
I
The
don't
fellow
know.
who was always roaming around with
I
you.
really don't know.
You don't know? Hey! I'll chop your head off! Hey, David! Listen to me. Calm down. Asking me to be scared? No, I'm asking you to be just calm. According to the situation now, even if we kill her, there is no point. All we need is those boys. Already the police has investigated on her. Even her number is being traced. With the help of that, they can trace your location and they can put an encounter to you. What are you saying? Yes, David. I have already signed a petition for you in the High Court. Within 1 week, you will get a positive judgment from there. Till then, please be patient, David.
It's not that, Arun. If I had not asked you for any help, you could have been happy with your friends. All this happened because of me.
Why are you thinking about all that now? Don't worry. It'll all be fine. I am here for you, no?
Yes! I got it. Now I know who you are.
Karna speaking. Hey, I've come to Ooty. Now tell me, where should I come?
Just doing this work with you gives me a lot of happiness, Arun.
Amrita, you know what? Our friends are very much angry with you. They have come with us only because they want both of us to be together.
This guy is always behind romance
You're
only.
already very angry with me. Please don't increase that now.
Until you came here, the weather over here was really cold. But after you came, it feels like I have burnt 3 logs of wood. And now I am feeling really heated up. I am telling the truth.
Yeah, we are really feeling heated.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say.
Yeah, stop. Just look there.
Hey, David has come, man.
Hey, run, Oh my God.
Don't look behind. Oh my God, don't look. Don't look behind. Oh my God,
Yo, come on, Amrita. Come fast. Guys, don't stop. Keep running. Yeah, fast. Guys, look over there. Let's go and hide there.
Buddy? Who's David? Hey! Why are you asking about him now? That David has come here, buddy. What? What are you telling? Where is our children? The moment our children saw them, they've left the place immediately.
Hey bro,
What?
can I make a phone call?
Okay, have it. Hey, unload fast.
Hello, who's this? It's me, father, your son. Hey son, how are you? Are you okay?
Hey, just find out whether my son is next to him.
David has found out our location. We have moved and we don't know where we are. Beyond this, we cannot run anywhere, Dad. If you cannot save your own son, then what a cop are you?
What happened? Why are you crying, buddy?
He's asking, being a police, are you not able to take care of his son? Sir, nobody should be sentenced to death, sir. Death for death is not a solution, sir. Forgiveness is eternal. That's what great people have said, sir. Whatever we and our children have done is a mistake, sir. But for that, our children should die in the hands of that wicked man, sir. And will you be silently watching all this crime, sir?
Hey, why are you crying before this officer? What is the difference between this man and the David? Just like our children told, he is killing for the uniform and David is killing for the money.
Please save our children from the hands of the wicked man, sir.
Police should not fall at anyone's feet.
Sir, please don't talk about the dress always, sir. If officers like us are inside the dress, then alone it is a uniform. If we remove it and keep it aside, it is just a cloth, sir. The respect what you give for this dress, keep the same respect for us who wear it, sir. Even though we are police, they are our children, sir. Our children, sir. Our children, sir. Please, sir.
Ah. When other people were crying, you were not bothered about that. Now when your children got into a problem, you're crying, right? You guys were afraid of that rowdy and sent away your children. Are you not ashamed to tell that you're a police officer? Huh? Police son should not be a rogue. That is the only reason why I told you guys to surrender your children. Now you guys are talking about uniform? If you know the real value about the uniform, your children would not be like this. Go.
Leave that, bro. There is no point trusting our fathers for this. If they really wanted to help us, they wouldn't have asked us to come from there. Anyway, don't call anyone else and tell where we are. We just have to help ourselves. There is nobody else.
How long to run, dude? Now where do we go?
Bro, you need not worry at all. One Mr. Kuttan is here. He will definitely help you. Don't worry. I know that Kuttan very well. So I will introduce you. Don't worry.
Oh Lord Krishna, you are omnipresent and omnipotent. Wherever there is bribe and crime, there I am. Hail be to the police station. Hey, sweetie pie. Hey, sweetheart.
Guys, please get down. Can you see that shop? The Godfather, Mr. Kuttan, whom I told you, he's there.
He is their godfather. He is not godfather. He is fraud father. Hello, sister. I need some milk. Sister, I need milk. What happened?
Here there is no milk, only hot tea. All of you have come searching for me, huh?
By the way, how did you end up in this place, huh?
What's your problem?
Yeah, we came here just to kill someone. Hey, that's you. You just left us to be killed over there and you came here and playing, huh? I'll kill you.
No! Actually, I didn't want to ditch you guys. Being tortured that way, anyone would have done the same thing I did.
Hey, go man.
Anyways, all this would have happened to you, bro. Now I am also sharing it with you.
All that is fine. We don't have even 5 rupees with us. Until all of this is resolved, you only should take care of us.
David has given a problem to us. He has demanded that we should not kill him by encounter. And with that demand, he has kidnapped Justice's grandson.
The boy has to be rescued somehow. The justice has requested so.
So David is still alive because the honorable judge. You know about that. He told killing innocent people just like animals will not come under human commission. If a rowdy kills a police officer, will it come under human commission? Is a police officer not a human being? He said encounter is a big crime, didn't he? Today his grandson was kidnapped, tomorrow he'll be kidnapped. Will he talk the same thing? Sir, if something happens to a police officer, then
Shekhar, relax.
Sorry, sir. Sir, we should not lose anyone from the department, sir. Sir, if I get an oral order from him to kill David,
I will find out his grandson. Sir.
Commissioner sir's phone.
Hello? Did you get my grandson? We will definitely save your grandson. Don't worry, sir. What should I do from my side? Please tell me immediately. If a Chief Justice family doesn't have protection, then what will happen to a common man? You please somehow try to catch the criminal and please get back my grandson alone, please. Chandrasekhar. Yes, sir. I have spoken to the judge just now. He has given an oral order. You can carry on with your plan. Yes, sir. Go in your own way. I am there with you. Okay, sir. Karthik, you can release the judge's grandson and come to the spot. Hey, tell me where is David? Tell me, you rascal!
Sir, don't do anything to me, sir. I don't do anything.
Where is he now? Tell me the number.
Sir, I'll say it, sir. Lastly, he spoke from his native, sir.
Give me the number, quick!
Sir, 96000
Karthik, give me the phone. Shiva, one number has to be traced. Yes, 9600072222. Find out immediately which area is his number and give me the details immediately.
Sir, don't do anything to me, sir. Let's leave me, sir.
Hello, how are you?
Yes, hello?
There is actually a land deal for you.
Huh?
If you can help us, it would be very nice.
Give me my commission, I'm going to do anything for you. Somebody has come forward to get hoodwinked by me. Let me see the face of the great man. Hey, good morning, sir. Oh my God! Who has caught me now? I'm going to get caught. I know I'm going to get screwed in my life.
Hey, tell me. Hey, I say, na. Why are you crying?
So many
Hey, why are
knives
you
for a
crying?
simple person like me. Bring him this side.
Hey, get up. Sit down.
What do you do here? I put a tea shop. People from this place come and do business in our place. Huh? I just can't simply believe what you're saying. I had spotted you at the place where my brother was killed. Now tell me, what's your relation with the Sons of Cops? It's just for commission I came with them. And it is only those greedy boys who actually complain to the police about you and not me, sir. Where are they now?
Which area?
Sir, the signal has been cut off just before Nelson Bridge. Hey bro, he has brought David to this place.
Bangkok citizens.
Hey, be careful, guys. Hey, careful.
Cover that area.
Sir, stop. This is Nelson Bridge.
Subhash, surround this area completely.
Amrita, hey, don't go. Bro, what happened to you? Wake up. Hey, Amrita. Amrita, what happened to you? Take her from here. Just go.
Put the gun down immediately. I was waiting for this day alone.
Hey! Don't shoot! No!
Hey,
no.
are you afraid? Are you afraid of your death? Huh? You have done lot of illegal activities. You have killed lot of innocent people in your life. You have spoiled a children's life to degrading this entire society. For what? Just for some stupid politicians of this country. Do you know how many innocent people have died because of you? Do you know about their family? About the family's pain? Because of those good heart soul curse, you are in front of us now.
No.
People like you who have spoiled children's life will spread like a virus and destroy this society completely. You guys should not be left. Otherwise this will continue. People who come outside the country and create war against us, they can also be forgiven. But people like you who do anything for money should not be left in the society at all. Death is a penalty for crime. Kill him!
No.
I said kill him.
No.
Police blood is running in your body. Come on, kill him!
No. You're not supposed to shoot me. No shoot.